There's something growing in the heartland, and Standard Golf is at the root of this change. Green Activator. It's the 15-minute formula for greener, healthier turf. A blend of humic and fulvic acid and NPK. It builds turf with increased drought resistance, enhanced roots, quicker turf repair, increased blade width and resiliency, quick absorption, and more.
You know, we're basically an organic product with just a very low dose of NP and K, just enough to feed the plant to get it to uptake and get it going with that NP and K value.
Through better root development and low nitrogen inputs for the latest turf hybrids, Green Activator gives you a vigorous turf. And it's a superb carrier of fertilizers, herbicides, and other plant growth regulators.
We have a patented extraction process for the humic and fulvic acid where we extract the compounds out of the acids and we put them in a plant-ready solution. And when you're in a liquid form, the key to a humic and fulvic acid is it cannot sit on the surface area of the leaf too long because the UV rays will break down the humic and fulvic acid. So our 5-minute quick entry is just key to the success of our product.
The standard is changing with Green Activator from Standard Golf.